I'm here in the studio today to show you how to make the quilts that are hanging up behind me. They are identical blocks. One is a 9-inch and the other is a 12-inch, and it's called Paths and Stiles. The one on this side I've made completely from out of my scraps, but the one here I made from a much more controlled palette that I picked up, as you do, fat quarters. So today's workshop, I'm going to be using these wonderful fabrics that Michael of Oakshott has sent me. They're his range called Lipari, and they've been bundled up. There are 18 of them in a bundle, and they are just fat 8s, which is a very small amount, but surprising how far you can make it go. So I've made several of the green blocks here, and you can see these were ones that I made earlier. You can just hear how beautiful they are, and they're going to be in the quilt.